Hello everybody, this is Glockman4519. I'm here with not a ROM review, but more like a ROM review overdue, or redo. I deleted my last Bliss Pop ROM review, and it's not Bliss Pop, it's Bliss Marshmallow. Because I got a notification in it, it was rather loud. Anybody listening to it on earphones, it would have just blown your eardrums out. I did get one comment on it, and I apologize to that person. I don't edit videos, but I decided I was going to just go ahead and redo this. So like I said, I deleted it, and we're going to redo this bad boy. So let's get into About Phone. You can see this is Bliss ROMs. As you can see, that little icon there between Bliss and ROMs right in here. That's actually what the boot logo looks like, only it has like different colored glowing balls that revolve around that. It's pretty cool. Um, so if we scroll down here, you can see that it is Bliss version 6.0. It's Android version 6.1.0. I am running Hellscore kernel, the latest. This is the permissive one with the newer Wi-Fi settings, not the lollipop settings, and it's running great for me. I'm also running I flashed SuperSU 2.52, and it's working great. We'll go into developer options. You can see there's your advanced reboot, your OEM unlock, of course, your root access. You need to make sure that you are on at least apps. I like to put on apps in ADB, that way you know root is going to work. There's your Android debugging. You want to have that on just in case something goes wrong. Then you can connect your computer and do some work with it through ADB. Push files, pull files, send commands, stuff like that. Multi-windows right here, just so you guys know, this is where it's at if you guys want to get into that. And that's about it. There's not very much in the settings. It's all in the Bliss settings. And there's not a lot right yet, but they do have an update out, and I'm going to download it, and I may do another video yet on this, because I was told there's a lot of updates to this. So these are your animations. If you're into that, these are the different animations you have. Of course, the only one that I do, or that I like, are the scrolling mod. It's called scrolling mod, and it just makes things faster to scroll. They don't have this included yet. I hope they do eventually. But again, this is very new, and they will start adding new stuff to this eventually. Under buttons, these are your button settings. Left-handed, you show arrow. Here's your button layout for your nav bar. That's how you would change them around if you want. Your recent long press. Here's your power menu. Not a lot in the power menu yet, but I'm sure it's just a matter of time before this gets populated as well. Your press power button, your end call, that's all there. Of course, you have your volume button adjustments, or what you want to do with that, settings. I don't mess with my volume too much, but I know to each his own, and I know that a lot of people do, and a lot of people really listen to a lot of music on their devices, and this is good for that. I do like that kill app back button. I like that. Under lock screen, these are your lock screen settings. You have your swipe, your smart lock. Of course, you can put a lock screen message, your lock screen shortcuts. There is, I think, only bottom right now. Hopefully they will get center shortcuts for those of you that use that. I don't, but I know it's a nice feature to have. Then you have your media art cover if you want to have that, or display music visualizer. I don't use that, but it's there. And then your power menu option, whether to have it on or off on your lock screen. And of course, lock screen colors and fonts. I love this feature. You know me, I like a lot of color in my ROMs. Under recents, not much here yet. Again, guys, this will get more features in it. Right now, all you have really are your search menu features and your RAM bar, which is enough for me right now. I'd love to see that full screen feature on there, but it's not there yet. Hopefully it will be. They do have Omni Switch. It does works very well. I do like that feature, but again, in the Marshmallow and Lollipop, I like that whole Rolodex type deal, and that's what I use. But Omni Switch is there and it does work. Under status bar, these are my favorite settings. Under clock, there are all of your clock settings. I like the fact that we can actually change the size, size and color. That's it. That's what I love. And then you can change your date, style, format, all that to whatever you want. I think I'm running, let me see, bold italic is what I'm running. And then, of course, your color and all that. You can add seconds if you want. Then under battery, I have mine hidden right now because I'm running the 3-minute mod, which you do have to go on to the 3-minute XDA thread, put in a request for that. I'm pretty sure there's a zip there though, because I'm using an older zip on this one. Now, I'm going to try to put a request in for a newer zip because you don't want to run older ones on newer ROMs. It's just, it may work and then it may give you some issues. So far, I'm not having any issues with this particular zip. Then you have your battery bar options. There's your location, either whether you even want to have it. You know me, I like my battery bar. You have charging animations for your battery bar, color for your battery bar, and of course your thickness. I think I'm running at 2 dpi, 1 dpi, okay. Here are your status bar options. Of course, this is just for you to turn on or turn off what icons you want showing in your status bar. You have your network traffic. That, of course, you guys know you can have it enabled to show outgoing, incoming, outgoing and incoming, or none at all. And I think you can color it. I'm not 100% sure. I just left it off this time around. One of my favorites is temperatures. Now, it's not showing. I don't know why yet, but it's there. Again, it's not working for me. It might be because of the video icon being up there. I don't know, but hopefully that will be working in the next build. Then you have your Super Sue icon to show or not, headset icon, all that. It's all here. Of course, you have your time contextual header. I love that feature. That gives you that, time of day kind of look outside. You know, right now it's, I guess they're thinking it's dawn. Actually, the sun is up where I'm at right now. And you have your brightness control, show notification counts, quick pull down, and of course Bliss logo. I think if you have a ROM, this is a cool feature to have. You need a logo, and you need to let us be able to run it so people can see what we're running. And you can change the color to that. That's pretty much it. The last feature on here is your app remover, your system app remover. And unless you know what you're doing, I'd be very careful with that. You can really screw your ROM up. So that is it, guys. This is Bliss Marshmallow, not Bliss Pop, Bliss Marshmallow. I'm not sure what the official name is going to be right yet, but the theme engine in this is working great. I've had no issues at all. The theme I'm running actually on this right now is the Movie Dark. This is the theme I'm running, at least in the style. My pull down is Shadows. I'm almost positive. Yep, that's my status bar. And I know that my nav bar is Vibrance. That's what I run for my nav bar. My fonts I'm running, I'm almost positive dark or translucent dark. No, actually I'm running the Sense 7. Yeah, I'm running Sense 7 on this one. Usually I run dark, translucent. And again, it's working great. So I hope you guys like the ROM video redo of Bliss Marshmallow. And again, I want to apologize to those that might have got that real loud notification. I do apologize. And I would like to take this time to thank my subscribers. And I will see you guys on the next one.